Hello! In this tutorial, I'll show you how to use Google Trends to find trending and winning products to sell. The first thing I'd like you to do is to launch a Google Trends account, which of course I have done right here. Now, how can you create an account on Google Trends? Pretty simple. Launch in the browser of your choice and locate the search bar. In the search bar for browser, type trends.google.com, and that's going to take you right into this website. Now, in here, you don't have to go through the process of creating an account because Google is going to create an Google Trends is going to create an automatic account for you using your Google account registered in your device. So now that we're on this homepage, let's see how we can use Google Trends to find trending and winning products to sell. From this homepage, head over to the top corner of your screen where you have this Home, Explore, and Trending Now. Now go ahead and click on Explore. And that's going to take you right into the Explore window. It's loading right up. So in this add a search term, let's see a product that we can use. Let's say, okay, kettle. So check that kettle. And we're going to see how kettle is doing. So punch the enter button. You can narrow your search by using any of these filters. So you can narrow it down to the region and the, let's say, the period and the categories and web search. So over here, this is how you can check if this kettle is really a trending or a winning product to sell. So let's see kettle, and I can check that using the interest graph. What's the interest over time? Now, I think this is, using this chart, I think this is actually a winning product or a trending product because there is no, let's say, there's no low peak season for it, right? There's no low peak season for it. It's just really high, like starting from 75, and let's see the lowest is 61. So it means kettle is always on high demand. It means at almost every point of this year, like this for the past 12 months, everyone is placing a demand for kettle. So it hasn't even dropped to 50 at any time, or even 25, like from 50 less than, it's not. So it means this is pretty much a winning product. You can see is, say, 100 as at 19 to 25. And I'm just going to check the list. The list is 61. So you see the list is 61. It means this really, a lot of people are interested in this, and it's really a trending winning product to sell. So you can even check interest by subregion for you to determine that. So you can see the lowest is 85. That's the North Island, and you have this England, Wales, Scotland. It's really, really high. That is even sub regions. The lowest is 85. So it means that the interest rate is really high and everybody really needs a kettle. So you can even check related topics for you to see and see related queries to see the specific kind of kettles that you can use. All right, so this is a so you find this specific kind of kettles that you can use that are winning and that are trending. So this kettle, from this interest graph and this interest by sub-region, we can see that the lowest interest rate is incredibly high, meaning this is top tier. This is a winning product. This is a trending product that you can sell. So this is pretty much how you can use Google Trends to find trending and winning products to sell. You can go back to the tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this video marvelously helped your search.